Good morning! Happy Thursday! You guys, ngayon ko lang kinuha yung memory card ko from the MacBook. Parang nakalimutan ko na nag-vlog pala ako kahapon. Pasensya na. Nag-transfer ako ng files after nung last clip hapon nung ako ng box. Nag-fill ako ng box. Na-close ko na yung isa, na-carried away ako, tapos dumating na sila Ayla with Nana and Papi, and napatagal yung chika namin kasi hindi nila kailangan umalis for boys basketball kasi walang basketball yung boys. So medyo matagal sila nagstay. And then, nakalimutan ko na, nag-vlog pala ako. So, pasensya na. Pero, ang haba din naman ng clips, 1 hour and 9 minutes. So, I'm pretty sure I have enough, but I forgot. Oh, Alo, here! It's here! The drawing! Yeah, another one at the back. Oh, I like it, Alo. Very nice. Show other one to Ayla. Ayla, look. He drew everything, he said. Guys, he drew everything. That's Alo's drawing, guys. Yes?
The middle one is Daddy and he's fat.
Oh, man. Cute naman ang drawing niya. Ibang-iba sa drawing ni Ayla.
And then my name in the back.
Your name in the back, yes. Ayla, do you want any Yakult or yogurt in the lunch or no? No? Okay. That's okay. You can have it at home later. Oh, you know what? I also didn't get to check what library book you brought, baby. See, Sharon yung
My best thing is doing
I'm pretty sure it is good. Ooh, look at this. Ayla.
What is it?
That's your artwork. Yeah. Mushroom. Is that mushroom, baby? Very nice coloring. Very good coloring, Ayla. I love it. I'm pretty sure you will bring more today. And even more tomorrow. Last day tomorrow, guys. The sad little monster and the jelly bean queen. I love it. Okay. Yo. Anyway, si Sharon yung nag-unpack ng lunchbox nila kasi nagdadala siya ng treats. Every time pinipick up niya yung mga bata. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo munang ibigay kasi binibigay niya agad pag pick up niya. Sabi ko, wag mo munang ibigay kasi yung routine namin, pag hindi nila na-finish yung lunch nila, hindi sila allowed na kumain ng snacks. Kailangan muna nilang kainin yung lunch nila. And nasisira siya every Wednesday kasi nga binibigyan sila ni Nani ng treats. Marami siya magbigay ng treats. So nabubusog sila guys, hindi nila nakakain yung rest ng lunch nila kapag Wednesdays. So kahapon ginawa niya, siya talaga nag-open ng lunch and nakita niya na hindi natapos. So binigay niya sa mga bata. Saka sila binigyan ng treats para ubusin nila yung lunch nila. Yung reasoning nila, wala daw silang time mag-lunch kasi naglalaro ng mga batang bail. Nakakaloka itong umagang to kasi meron akong not for 2 weeks now. I'm gonna let you rest from reading. Yay! But you have to read today and tomorrow so you can have a rest during school holidays. 2 weeks of no reading. How good is that? 14 days, yes. You're so smart.
Mom, is 2 times 2, does it equal 14?
2 times 2, 4. Just 4. Are you doing multiplication now? I don't think you are. Yeah, no. Too advanced, baby. No multiplication yet.
I'm going Taiwan.
Take away yan. Minus. Oh. You wanna show the guys? Come on. Ito. He wants to show the guys what he made. Ito magaling din to sa mga gawa-gawa ng kung ano-ano. Alright, come here.
This to the guys too.
Okay, sige. I'll get your clothes. You can show the guys here.
Hi guys, I made this portion and I have something a big swan here. This way? No, this way. Here.
You're going to the library today, please?
Yes, I want to do this. So, mommy, did you get a castle sold in B1?
Sorry?
Did you get a castle sold in B1?
Oh, yeah. It does look like a castle.
And he wants the guys, Mom.
Okay.
Meow, Dad. Mama.
Too heavy?
Up, Dad.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get you clothes, okay? Isla's reading. Let me see your head. Let me see your head. Patawa-tawa ka pa dyan. Show us.
She has Play-Doh in her
Arlo! Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this, you guys.
How we don't bring her to school like that?
And mayroon pa ditong konti. See? Itong ba?
Mama.
What happened to your head? Who did it? Who did it?
It's Arlo. It's Arlo in there.
Ito, batang bail. It's empty. You can play with it if you
Guys,
want.
can I tell something? So, that was Arlo's fault. He has a Play-Doh.
That's Arlo's fault, yeah. Oh well.
How we don't get that out?
I'll deal with it later. When you guys are gone, I'll deal with it.
But, I go on. Can you?
What hairstyle, madam?
Pelly. I'm a pony.
Tony? Hoy! Ala! Meron siyang maliit na Play-Doh na. Dinidikit. Where is it?
What did she do?
She's got a small Play-Doh that she's That is not a sticker. That is a Play-Doh. Where is it? I think she's got... okay. That's alright. Yeah, you can stick that on your... Ay, nako. Ayaw ko na lang talaga. The sticker is fine.
Stevie,
No Stevie.
why we call it old egg?
Because you have school.
Yep. How many minutes?
After school. You can watch TV after school.
For 6.5 hours.
Ay, nako. Ayaw ko na lang talaga dyan sa ulo mo.
Was 1992 was 43 years ago.
Yeah. How old is Daddy?
43.
Yeah.
He's old. Tina Minoy is older. She's 44. And next year she's gonna be 41.
Isla is really good at numbers. She will remember everyone's age and birthday.
Daddy's birthday is August 20th. Mama's birthday is October 24th. Annie's birthday is September 27th. Olive's birthday is October 19th.
Huh?
October
yours,
19th.
yeah.
And then Olive's is March 14th.
Good job, Isla. You remember everyone's birthday. Mommy's phone, yes.
Mom,
No more Play-Doh for Indy Arlo, ha?
Mom, what does this say?
Chalk.
Chalk.
Look at this weather. Raining all day again today, guys. So Daddy needs to use my car again because walang car seat dun sa loan car na yun. And then he will come back and take that car kasi he needs to go to work and I need my car kasi I need to pick up the kids later. So hindi niya din magamit talaga yung car ko the whole time. Ay, ayusin natin tong buhok niya. Ikaw na talaga. Nakabihis na, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman to. So yeah, let's fix hair. Do you want me to tie hair too? I can tie hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? I need to do this. Wait, sit. Oh, Mama's phone. Oh, sit down. Sit down. I didn't say lay down. Sit. Wait. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, minsan lang talaga kami mag-Play-Doh. Tapos kapag meron, bantay sarado talaga yung mga bata. And they know what to do. They know na dapat dun lang sa table. Now this one, hindi ko alam na meron nito. Ayla brought a paper cup, tapos meron siyang paper flower na may stick na tinusok doon sa paper cup. Now, yung paper cup pala, merong lamang Play-Doh, kaya niya natutusok yung flower. Parang malaking flower. Kasi nga, patapos na yung term, nag-uuwi na sila ng mga gawa nila sa school. So, ang dami niyang inuuwi araw-araw. The other day, ata yun yung uwi niya. And si Arlo, mahilig sa mga ganito, guys. Kasi mahilig siyang gumawa ng mga kung ano-ano. And we let him, but we're very choosy with our Play-Dohs. Yung hindi ganito, yung hindi dumidikit sa buhok. Anyway, ito nga, hindi ako aware dito. Hindi ko alam na meron pala dun sa loob. So, si Arlo, kinukuha niya dun. Now, akala ko, ito yung binibigay namin sa kanya. Yung ano nga, yung Play-Doh na hindi dumidikit. Akala ko ito yun. Kasi nga, wala naman kami nitong Play-Doh na to. Hindi naman namin sila binibigyan nito. Hindi pala, guys. Ang saya niya tingnan eh. Kapag, I'm sorry baby, I need to take it out. Look, it's very close. I just need to do this. Oh my gosh, my love. Ang saya tingnan ni Arlo eh. Kasi ang galing niya. Ang galing niya gumawa ng kung ano-ano with the Play-Doh. Ay, nako. Tapos, ito naman. Alam niyo namang very close siya kay kuya niya. Kung ano hinihingi niya kay kuya, binibigay. So, binigyan siguro siya ng maliit na bolang ganyan. Tapos, dinikit sa ulo niyang pakagaling na batang bail. Tignan niyo na tong ulo niya. Alright, I got a big chunk. So, I just need to get more. Look at your hair. Ikaw na talaga, Day. Do you want me to show the guys your hair? Oh my God. Show guys. Look. Show guys your hair. Hey guys, look. Look at my hair. Look at that. Ikaw na talaga, Inday. Tingnan nyo. Wow, apakagaling. So, nakuha ko na to. And yan na. Di ba? Wala pang school holidays yan. Wala pang school holidays. Ito na yung tinatamasa ng iyong ina. School holiday starts. Well, technically bukas. Kasi matatapos nga sila ng half day bukas. Pero sa Monday na talaga, like, hindi na talaga sila papasok. Alam mo yun. And that's for 2 weeks. Diba? Tapos ganito ka pa, ang likot-likot mo pa. Wala na talaga. Tagal natin matapos nito. Sige na, let me get it. Let me get it. The more you move, the more kakalat itong iyong Play-Doh. Oh my gosh. Ate. Who did this to you? Who did this? Who gave you Play-Doh? Who gave you Play-Doh? Who? Arlo did? Did Arlo give you Play-Doh? Yeah. Did you boss him around? Yeah? Did you? Kuya loves you so much. Uh-oh. Mahal na mahal ka ng kuya mo eh. Lahat ng gusto mo binibigay ng kuya mo. Alright, I think I'm gonna comb the... Sorry, Dave. It's gonna hurt. But... You gotta do what you gotta do, girl! You like that? Is that nice? Oh my gosh, that looks good, Dee. You look like you have green strips on your head. Ay, ayun, nalalaglag. Ay my gosh, meron pang medyo malaking chunk dito. Yeah. Patapos na. Dapat kanina ka nagaganyan. Binigyan ka ng phone, ayaw mo. Bail you guys. Look at this one. Bahala na yung, may mga natirang green. But that's okay. Matatanggal yan mamayang gabi pag ligo natin. Or try natin to. Okay. I think I got most of it. Pretty. Pretty. All done. Ooh, show guys hair. Show guys hair. Ooh.
Okay.
Hi guys. Who are you calling? Who are you calling, baby? Who?
Daddy?
Daddy. Daddy's busy, okay? Oh, Daddy's gonna be back soon because Daddy needs to bring my car back. Love you. Love. What do you wanna do? You wanna play? Yeah, play. Let's play. Let's play. No phone. Where's toys? What do you wanna play?
Daddy.
Toys? Sige, go get toys. Do you wanna play books? Do you wanna read? Yeah, read. Get books. Push? Ganyan pag push dapat. That's right! Well done! Beautiful! Yeah, open it. Books. Other side. Higa. Yep, that's right. Push. Push. Good job! Apakatalinong bata talaga. Oh! Leg stuck. You're okay. Books. Alright, let's read books. Yay! Peek-a-book! Peek-a-book! I love peek-a-book. You know what to do. Peek-a-boo! Peek-a-boo, baby! Oh, this one. This one. Pull. Peek-a-boo butterfly. Peek-a-boo mushroom. Yay, peek-a-boo. Whoa, who's this? Say peek-a-boo snail. I don't like
No.
peek-a-boo. It's funny. It's funny, right? This one. What's that? Duck. Good job. Peek-a-boo duck. All done. Next book. All done. Get next book. Put it back. What book is this? See? Lulu, Dixie, and Curly have a good day. My name is Lulu. Where's Lulu? What's Lulu? What is she? Lulu, what is she? What animal? Lulu is her name. What animal is she?
Owl.
You don't know? It's a sheep. What sound does it make?
Ba.
That's right.
Boo.
Lulu. What animal is Lulu?
Woo.
Lulu. Sheep. What sound does it make?
Ba.
Ba. What is she?
Ba.
Ba. Sheep.
Ba.
What sound does the cow make?
Moo. Moo.
Moo.
Ba. Ba.
What sound does the monkey make? What sound does the duck make?
Da. Da.
What sound does the fish make? What sound does the lion make?
Ba.
What sound does the chicken make?
Da. Da.
What sound does the pig make? What sound does the dog make?
Oof. Oof. Oof.
Good job. What sound does the cat make?
Man.
Oh my gosh, so cute. What sound does the sheep make?
Ba. Ba. Ba.
What sound does the goat make? Do you know goat?
Mama.
Oh, no, goat. What sound does the butterfly make?
Da.
Yeah, that's that. Butterfly. Hi guys, it is now 1:07. Kakababa ko lang from putting Indy to sleep. Ala, ano to? Oh, hindi ito yun. Wait, sa. Hindi ito yung gustong kainin. I just realized it's not it. Buti lang hindi yan mainit yung oil. Hindi yan mainit kasi kapag galing sa freezer, dinidiretso ko siya kahit na hindi pa mainit yung oil. This is not it. This is the one. Gusto ko yung turon. Ano yun? Lumpia. Yung filling ng Ilocos empanada, ginawa kong lumpia. So yun. I just want something to snack on. I already had brunch kasi nag-ano kami ni Indy. Ham and cheese croissant. And ito snacking ko na lang to before natin i-pick up yung mga bata. And I'm using the pan that we got yesterday. So far, so good. Okay naman siya. Mag-i-edit din ako while waiting. Maka-edit tayo ng konti habang hinihintay ang maluto. We are very early. Time to pick up the kiddos. I left 5 minutes earlier than usual. Guys, it's not raining. Hopefully it stays this way hanggang sa makasakay yung mga bata sa car. Yun lang. Hi, thank you Lord. The forecast sabi 50% chance of rain ata ngayon. Pero right now, sun is out a little bit and it's not raining. So yeah, hopefully it stays like this. Again, hanggang makasakay yung mga bata sa car. Kasi hindi madali. Dalawang bata, well, 3 bata. But what I mean is, 2 bata tapos isang pram. Alam mo yun.
School's on ahead.
And I only have 2 hands. Kasi syempre kapag umuulan, kailangan nilang mag-umbrella. Ay! Okay lang naman yung like drizzle lang, maliit. Pero kanina kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng ulan. And it was like that yesterday too. Like sobrang lakas niya talaga. Na konting labas mo lang, wala talaga. You will be soaked. Guys, it's raining. And it's raining hard as well. No, what are we gonna do? Look at our car. Look, it's raining. Time to prepare dinner, guys. Kids will have spaghetti.
Mama!
And then Dan's gonna have
Mama!
steak. And we're gonna have steak. Hi, baby. Yes. Hi. Steak and corn for Daddy.
Mama!
Spaghetti and corn for the kids. May tubig na ako doon, boiling. So ilalagay ko lang yung spaghetti. But I break it first. Binibreak ko siya into 3. And mine is done, guys. Mine, it looks really good. Nag-crave ako nito eh. Crispy pork. Look. Ang sarap. Oh, yung buhok ko pala. Naglagay ako nung oil na binili ko sa Mecca. You can use it 10 to 15 minutes before you wash your hair or overnight. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya magagawa overnight kasi gabi ako naliligo. Plus, meron din kasi akong nilalagay after ko maligo na ayokong palitan. So, gusto ko siyang ilagay before ako maligo, before ko siya i-wash kasi syempre magiging sobrang oily siya tingnan. So, ginawa ko, pagdating namin galing pick up ng kids, nilagay ko siya sa buhok ko para ilang oras siyang nakasoak dyan before ko siya i-wash. Because it is a pre-wash oil. Yung from Brio Gio na scalp care something. Bilisan na natin tong kay Daddy. Uy! Not yet! Not ready yet! Edit naman ito masyado. Not ready! Na ready, uy, wala pa. Kumuha na ng tinidor. Hindi, that's enough. Kanina pa ako, ligpit ng kalat mo, Day. Kanina pa ako kuha ng kalat mo sa floor.
Bye-bye.
La princess, come on. Come on, man. We got so much energy left, you might as well clean the house.
No,
Why not?
my tummy hurts.
Oh, that's not good. You better go to bed early.
Mama.
Don't give it back. Just keep spooning it.
Please remind me to eat all of it. Okay. Then I'll eat some so I have meat, okay? I eat some milk and I have meat because I eat some.
The what?
Some meat because I eat some.
For me?
Yeah,
No meat left?
that makes big.
No.
And then we down.
Oh, yeah. Look,
Huh?
your corn's down and... I offered you meat before and you're like, I want to eat your corn, so that's why I...